Post-construction cleaning is done. Windows, doors closed, cleaned down. And then in here, same thing. Floors are tiles. And there's a little grout work, so we're gonna have to do this grout work on top of the tiles. Do this little grout work. So these are all grout that needs to be taken off. But the tiles are clean nicely. So this is really nicely done. Just inside the tub, as you can see, this is post-construction. So just a little bit on the floor. The tiles, look, this is our floor. These tiles on, the floor is tiles, I'm sorry. Speaking all over the place. But yeah, and then in here, you can really see, so this is Grout Haze, right? What's on top of it, that's Grout Haze. All the stuff here, all the stuff, that's Grout Haze. So we're gonna have to take off the Grout Haze on top of it, right? Make it look really nice. And then we can get the floor to look like this. So this is the floor without Grout Haze, and that's the floor with Grout Haze. So when you see it, you can tell, now what is the Grout Haze? This is the grout, right? That is the grout. And then what they used, this is the grout. So there's a grout in there, right? In here, they put a grout in here. So when they put a grout in there, they plaster it and skim it all over the place, right? So when they put it all over the place, what happens is you get the haze on top of it. So, and you can, this is not something you can wash off, right? It's a solution, it's a grout haze cleaner that you have to use to take the grout haze off. So this floor was nicely done. They didn't do much here, right? So it's really nice. Let it come here, and then in here you can see the floor right here. It's a little damage over here, but this can't be helped. This is actually from the manufacturer's or delivery, whatever it is. But yeah, so that is done. As you can tell, this floor right here looks much nicer. But if you look at the baseboards, you can tell there's a little grout haze that's on the baseboards. Also needs to be cleaned out. So that's part of the post-construction cleaning. And then the kitchen nicely done. Or appliances inside, appliances taken out. Now this right here needs to be taken out again, so because you can't leave it when it's a little bit like that, right? So you got to take it all off. Got to be neat. So that needs to be done. Then in here, nicely done. Inside, cleaned out nicely. Same thing. In here, cleaned out nicely. So you have a very nice, sanitary place to live. This is move-in ready, so the person can just move in and have absolutely nothing to worry about. Appliances new, fresh, nicely cleaned out, all of that. This needs a little bit of a touch-up, but yeah. So this is all clean, and then this is the basement, right? This is the basement apartment, right? So and that's it. So it's a nice construction cleaning. It was clean. The few things that needs to be done, like I said, is the grout haze right here, right? And also the grout on this side. This grout right here. So this is what we need to take care of. But yeah, then we come here. It's nicely done. Beautiful. A nice room. So yeah, so this is where we have it. Everything is nicely done, and that's it. So hopefully you enjoy it. If you like a good basement apartment in New York City, this is a nice basement apartment. Enjoy. Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching.